Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I am back. Sorry for the inconsistencies which is happening right now. Let's start with the video. And today I'm going to do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market. So let's directly jump to the charts. This is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price reacted from this FVG range and moved into the downward side. So basically, right now, what we are doing is we are sweeping the low of the previous month's candle and moving into the higher side. And it was quite anticipated that the higher move was up to this level. Now, let's move to the lower time frame since nothing much is clear here. As we move into the weekly time frame, what we see is that the price is breaking the lows of the candle, and we are not having any FVG or any such kind of a direct indication from which we can anticipate that we are bullish or bearish. Rather, we are in a range right now that is this particular level and this particular, more likely this low. So we are in a range bound market, and try not to take huge trades in this situation because the price could be a little choppy. So right now, this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that this was the last point from where the price could have confirmed that it is bullish right now. But we have moved into the downward side, which is still not a confirmation that we are bearish. Else, if we are going to come down below this candle, of course, then more likely we will continue our journey till this FVG range of the dailies. That is, we are going to see almost about 30 to 40 pips move, and that will be a scenario only when we are going to break this low. Either way, we are having this FVG here, and the price has closed above this previous rejection zone. So I'm anticipating that we are still bullish into the market, and we can go to break this high. Let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is this is a crucial level because the price was sweeping the lows, and if we get a close below it, most likely the price will continue the journey towards the lower time frame order block. Nothing much is clear even in 4 hours, so let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that things becomes little more clear here because what we see here is that we are within this order flow area, and we are having this BPR. Apart from that, the higher time frame is already bullish according to the daily levels, and price is reacting into the upward side. So what I'm anticipating right now is I'll be waiting for the price to disrespect one of the 1 hour FVGs, move into the higher side, then I'll be happy trade till this level to this level, that is 16 pips or something into the market. Right now, I'm not having a clear bias unless until the price confirms its move into the either side. Basically, I'm still bearish into the market unless and until we're going to see a 1 hour FVG disrespect into the market. So let's move to the 30 minutes, and the 30 minutes is almost the same. Uh, we had been trying to push higher, the price failed, and we moved down. Right now, we are in this order flow area. We have already taken the liquidity at this level, so more likely the price can move into the higher side, but that is still not confirmed. So let's move to the 15 minutes to see the session. Basically, the price was continuing this sideways zone, moved into the downward side. We took the liquidity, came down, and this is the imbalance area, or what you can say is that the area which is unmitigated into the market right now is here, and I'm anticipating that if we are going to tap here again, more likely we are going to see a move into the downward side. So for now, I'm still waiting for the price to disrespect one of the 1 hour FVG for the clear uptrend confirmation. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.